So for the base, I'm using my homemade garlic and herb bread. Start off with some pesto on top. Add some tomato puree. Garlic, mixed herbs, oregano. Just want to mix it all together. Then you add your grated cheese. And you want to preheat the oven, whack it in 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Then add some tomatoes. Coriander at first. Parsley. Rocket. Spinach. And then my homemade roast chicken, which I'll show you how to make in another video. It is so bloody good. And then you just whack it together, slice it up, and this midsection is, oh my god, it literally, this sandwich was disgusting, like it was so nice. I didn't think it would be that good, but it is literally ridiculous. I mean, look at that, oh my god. It's actually insane. It was so good. Oh, I mean, that's a bit weird, isn't it? But